What are these people doing? That's right, they're firefighters, and they're putting out a fire.
This police officer is in Rome. He's directing traffic.
This woman is a dentist, and she's checking a girl's teeth.
And this vet is looking after a cat.
This farmer is checking his field of wheat.
What is this chef doing? She's talking to the people eating in her restaurant.
This man is a barista in a coffee shop. He's serving 2 cups of coffee.
But there are some special jobs. Special for a country or a city. This man is a bagpiper in Scotland.
And look at this soldier. He's guarding Buckingham Palace in London.
Other soldiers also do this. These soldiers are in the band. They're marching to the palace and playing music.
And these soldiers are riding to the palace to guard it.
During the ceremony, the riders and the horses must stand very still. They mustn't move.
And this is the Tower of London.
These men are guarding it. They are beefeaters.
And these ravens are also guarding it. The tower is only safe if the ravens are there.